Come all you young rounders, the story I'll tell.
I can proudly say that I have never let not knowing what I'm doing stop me. That's what we call foreshadowing. I've got a friend who was born and raised in Puerto Rico. He's been missing his beloved island, especially the flavors. Right now, he can't travel home, so I thought I'd try and bring a little bit of that home to him. One thing he's mentioned more than once is something called Pique. I've never been to Puerto Rico. I've never tried Pique, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. But I've pickled a pepper or two. I've made a few hot sauces, so we're not without hope. I did some research, got some supplies, and for him, I'm giving this a shot. First up, let's get these bottles cleaned. A good wash is step one, but we're going further. Since we're dealing with preserved foods, let's talk safety for a second. I'm following a traditional method. I've seen it used by several Puerto Rican creators and confirmed a few details with my friend. However, I know of no laboratory tested and approved method for making pique. So do your own research, and if you make this, you do so at your own risk. Alright, time for the brine. I'm just going to warm up some of the vinegar, not the whole amount, and no need to bring it to a boil. Then I'm going to dissolve 2 tablespoons of canning and pickling salt in there. I'm using the canning and pickling salt so that the brine will remain clear. Now that the salt's dissolved and it's cooled off a little bit, I'm going to add the salt solution right back to the 64-ounce bottle. That's going to be enough brine for us for today. I don't have access to the authentic peppers from Puerto Rico, so I'm going for as many vibrant colors and as much variety and flavor as I can get. Let's get these guys washed up. We're going to wash them and then pat them dry. This sauce is supposed to be garlicky, so I'm going to put about 10 cloves of garlic in each bottle. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper in each bottle. There's no set amount of black pepper. I've seen up to a tablespoon. I want the hot peppers to really shine in this, so I'm going a little bit light. Everything in pique is pretty much subject to the maker's taste. We don't want it ground fine, we just want it cracked. I'm putting in 2 fresh herbs, cilantro and oregano. I'm going to start with the cilantro and end with the oregano to make it look real pretty. I'm using a chopstick to get it all in. I'm going to slice these pepper lengthwise so we can fit it into the bottle. Now you can remove the seeds if you want, but I am told that no self-respecting Puerto Rican ever would. The heat is a badge of honor. Slicing the pepper allows the vinegar to get in there, and for the pepper and the vinegar to do its job. The vinegar to pickle the pepper, and the pepper to infuse the vinegar. Oh yeah, some like it hot. Now we're going to add the brine back in and cover that all up. Then it's going to be closed up, set on the counter for 5 days while flavors develop. You'll often hear this period called fermentation, but it's actually not. What we're actually doing here is an infusion or a pickling. Our goal here is a solution of 4 pH. We should be safe. Now as this sits on the counter each day, I will probably open that bottle up just to relieve any air or any pressure that has happened to develop. Give it a little shake, make sure that all the air gets out. A little shake to get those air bubbles out, a couple of taps on the counter. Don't want any air bubbles trapped in there. That would be the one place that bacteria could develop. And that's all there is to it. We'll be back in 5 days and see how this has come out. Okay, it's been 5 days and I'm about ready to take my friend a bottle of this Pique. But this here's my bottle, and before I give anything to him, I've got to try it for myself. Really not sure how I should test this, so we're just going to pretty much try it straight up. Pray for me. Oh, mama. Oh, it's got bite. After only 5 days, it's got bite and it's going to get stronger. Oh. It's hot, it's spicy, it's sassy, and it's ready to fight back, and it reminds me of a very Puerto Rican girl I've ever met. Anyways, folks, good stuff. I highly recommend it. It is flavorful. I can taste the garlic, I can taste the herbs. It's very vinegar tart. It's delicious. It's delicious. But I did not hold back on those hot peppers, and this one is not. This one is not for the faint of heart. Happy homeowning.